it's Katie Mudd with the Mudd Group at Sampson Properties. We go out on a lot of listing appointments, and one of the most frequently asked questions is, how do I prepare my home for sale? So we've jotted a few cleaning tips to get your home ready to hit the market. Starting with the family room, you're going to dust the ceiling fans, wipe down the walls, clean and dust the electronics, sweep out the fireplace, steam clean the carpets and area rugs, and declutter the tables and floor space. This is important because a potential buyer wants to see the square footage that they're going to be purchasing. Let's go ahead now and move into the bathroom. Wipe down the walls, wash the throw rugs and towels, wash the mirrors and windows, wipe down the vanity, shower, and toilet, and declutter the vanity and linen closet. Another suggestion would be to add a brand new shower curtain, area rug, and towels. That will really give a pop of color. Let's go ahead now and move into the kitchen. You're going to clean the refrigerator and freezer, degrease the cooking appliances, and clean the oven. Clean the blinds and wash the curtains. Wash all the surfaces, cabinets, and walls. Sweep, vacuum, and mop the floors, wash the windows, and declutter the counter and tabletops. This is important because we're going to have a professional photographer come in, and we really want to show your sparkling countertops. Let's go ahead and move to the bedrooms. You're going to wipe down the walls, dust all surfaces, wipe down the blinds and wash the curtains, wash all the sheets and linens, and if needed, go ahead and buy a new comforter set. Wash the mirrors and windows, steam clean the carpets, declutter the closets and the dresser tops. This is going to get your home ready to hit the market and look really fresh. We're going to go ahead and put a link in the post so that you can get a checklist with these items on it. And also, if you'd like to talk to us and have us out to your home, we're happy to come and give you more suggestions. Have a great day.